Here we are, Claremont, lot 51. It's a two-story, 2,417 square foot house with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Let's take a look inside. Guys, as you can see, it's come a long way since the last time you've seen it. We've got the flooring down. We've got a lot of interior paint work done. We've got some trim work put up. There's a lot of finishes happening here. In Claremont lot 51, we have a wonderful kitchen area. It's a very open floor plan. It flows into your dining area and into your living area. This is a really great addition built in our cabinet shop. It's a custom vent hood designed by Bethany, our interior designer. Our granite countertops. This is a under-mounted sink. Pretty soon we'll have all of our fixtures in. We'll be putting our stove in. Plenty of room for a big refrigerator. There's a pantry, walk-in pantry to my right. In addition to your walk-in pantry, you have this extra storage, mixers, blenders. They can go in this area. This is a spacious master bedroom area. Plenty of room for a large bed. Hang a TV on the wall. And then you have a good size master bathroom. Let's take a look. In the master bathroom, you have your large garden style tub to the left, double sinks. There'll be mirrors up here. Plenty of lighting in this room. Large walk-in tiled shower. Let's take a look in the closet. Inside the master closet, we have plenty of shelving, plenty of places to put shoes. We'll have rods hung for your hanging clothes, and plenty of storage for anything that you might need. On the first floor, off the back of the kitchen, we have a guest bedroom, a guest bathroom. One of the unique features of this bedroom is it has 2 closets. Right outside the guest bath, we have a laundry room to our right, and then your storage space for when you're coming in, you just want to throw your keys on it. We have a hidden little area for storage back behind your shelving and then into your garage. If you didn't think you had enough space downstairs, let's take a look upstairs. When you come up to the top of the stairs, you have a nice desk area to do some work from home, or if your kids need to do some homework, they can take care of that right here. One of the upstairs bedrooms, as you can see, it's plenty of room to put a bed and place to mount your TV, closet room, into a Jack and Jill style bathroom. Again, plenty of room in your bedroom. The unique feature about this bedroom is you have a nice little nook right here. You can put another desk if you need to, for your other child to do their homework. The back patio on lot 51 has plenty of room for outdoor entertainment. You have a place to put your TV, nice area for a pool if you wanted one, or if you needed an outdoor kitchen built, StricklinPorter.com, check us out.